Hey everyone! Welcome to Crypto On-Chain. I'm hosting a quick giveaway, and it's super easy to join. Here's what you need to do. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment telling me why you could use some extra cash. Once we hit 2,000 likes, I'll randomly pick one lucky winner to get at least $80. So, let's get those likes up, and now, let's dive into today's video. PocketFi listing is almost here. 9M users and counting. Last chance to mine before Q4 ends. Why PocketFi is transforming the crypto space. PocketFi is not just another DeFi project. It's revolutionizing the way users interact with decentralized finance. As one of the most talked about Telegram-based projects of 2024, PocketFi seamlessly blends cutting-edge technology, a user-friendly interface, and powerful DeFi tools into a single, easy-to-use mini-app. This project is set to become a cornerstone in the crypto space, combining advanced features like cross-chain token transfers, sniping tools, and copy trading strategies, all accessible directly through a Telegram bot. PocketFi is making DeFi easier and more accessible for millions of users worldwide. The rise of PocketFi, numbers speak for themselves. PocketFi's growth has been nothing short of extraordinary. 9 million users already on board, signaling massive adoption. 601.6k followers on X, formerly Twitter, showcasing its popularity. Over 3.3 million subscribers on Telegram, actively engaging with the platform. This rapid expansion highlights PocketFi's potential as a major player in the crypto ecosystem, and its community-driven approach has made it one of the top projects to watch in Q4 2024. The PocketFi Airdrop, rewards that matter. One of the most anticipated events this year is the PocketFi Airdrop, scheduled for Q4 2024. While the exact date hasn't been announced yet, here's what we know. The airdrop follows a play-to-earn model, where users earn tokens through missions and activities. It rewards early adopters and active users, creating excitement among both traders and crypto enthusiasts. Mining activities are set to end by Q4 2024. Marking the close of this phase and the beginning of a new chapter for PocketFi. This is a limited-time opportunity for users to participate and maximize their rewards before the ecosystem transitions to its next stage. The PocketFi listing, a game-changing event. The PocketFi listing date is one of the most eagerly awaited milestones in the crypto community. While the official date is yet to be confirmed, it's expected to happen shortly after Q4 mining concludes. Here's why the listing matters. Strong community support. With millions of users already on board, PocketFi's token launch is likely to generate significant trading volume. Innovative ecosystem. PocketFi combines DeFi tools, a Telegram mini-app, and a growing user base, making it a standout project. Price potential. Analysts are speculating that PocketFi's token price could rise significantly after launch, driven by its robust ecosystem and loyal user base. PocketFi's team has promised to share updates on the official listing date and token price soon, so keep an eye out for announcements. Why PocketFi is the future of DeFi on Telegram. PocketFi is breaking new ground by bringing decentralized finance directly into Telegram. This unique integration offers users multiple wallet management, easily handle multiple crypto wallets without leaving the app. Seamless token swaps. Execute cross-chain token swaps in seconds, with no technical barriers. Advanced trading tools. Use sniping and copy trading features to optimize your strategy. User-friendly interface. Designed for both beginners and experienced traders, making DeFi accessible to everyone. PocketFi has successfully combined powerful DeFi functionality with the simplicity of Telegram, offering a one-stop solution for all crypto needs. The bigger picture. PocketFi's vision for the future. PocketFi is more than just a project. It's a movement aimed at reshaping how people interact with blockchain technology. Here's what sets it apart. Community-centric approach. With its massive user base and interactive ecosystem, PocketFi prioritizes its users and their experience. Sustainability. By ending mining activities in Q4 2024, PocketFi is moving toward a more sustainable model focused on long-term growth. Accessibility. Its Telegram-based model makes it easy for anyone to explore and benefit from DeFi, even if they're new to crypto. What's next for PocketFi? As the PocketFi listing date approaches, the excitement is reaching new heights. Here's what to watch for. Updates on the airdrop details and rewards. Confirmation of the official listing date and initial token price. The transition from mining to the next phase of PocketFi's ecosystem. With so much happening, now is the perfect time to join the 9 million users already exploring PocketFi. Whether you're a seasoned trader or a crypto newbie, PocketFi offers a unique, rewarding, and easy way to dive into the world of decentralized finance. Don't miss out. The clock is ticking as Q4 2024 marks the end of PocketFi's mining phase and the beginning of a new era. Join the growing community, earn rewards through the airdrop, and get ready for one of the most exciting token listings of the year. PocketFi isn't just the future of DeFi, it's the future of how we connect, trade, and grow in the crypto world.